Eligibility Canada. If you're living in Canada and dental treatment feels too expensive, this video is very important for you. Today, I will explain the Canadian Dental Care Plan, like who is eligible, what it covers, and how you can apply step by step. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, you're gonna search CDCP. It is a government program that helps eligible residents get basic dental care at low or no cost. This plan is for people who do not have private dental insurance and have a lower to moderate household income. So everyone can apply for it as long as they are paying their taxes. So we're gonna apply here. So before applying it, make sure you have your SIN number ready, date of birth, full name, home address and mailing address, and list of dental coverage plans if you have any. And then either you or your spouse have applied the taxes in the previous year and may have received the notice of assessment. You can apply it through any bank or your GCK username and password or your provincial sign-in. Today I'm gonna use the provincial sign-in method. So if you live in Alberta, then you will apply through alberta.ca account, and if you live in British Columbia, then you will apply through BC Services card. Since I live in Alberta, I'm gonna apply through the alberta.ca. Here you're gonna read all the privacy notice and terms and conditions, and when you read it, just say you acknowledge and you will agree to everything. Once you log into this, you're gonna write your username here, and after you fill your username and password, you will require a security code. It will be sent directly to your phone number, and now I'm just waiting for my code, and it's here. Once you fill your code, then you will just continue it, and then you're applying for the Canadian Dental Care Plan. You're gonna choose this, apply for the Canadian Dental Care Plan. Then you're gonna read all the terms and conditions. I'm just gonna check the boxes like I have read the terms and conditions, I have read the privacy notice statement, I consent to sharing of my data. Just continue it. And as I told you that you should have applied your taxes, you'll just say yes here. I applied for myself. So here you're gonna fill your first name, last name, date of birth, and your social insurance number. Once you have filled your all personal information, you're gonna tell them what's your current status, and then here you're gonna fill your address, and then if your mailing address is same as your home address, you're gonna click this. Once you fill your home address and mailing address, then you're gonna fill here your phone number, and you're gonna choose what's your preferred official language of communication. I'm gonna do English. And then the most important question is, how would you like Sun Life to communicate with you? So you have two options, online and then by mail. So I think by mail is like it takes much longer time than online. If you choose the email option, then you receive all the updates very quickly rather than applying through mail. So I'm gonna just say like by mail, and then I'm gonna fill my email address here. So when you fill your verification code here, once you fill your verification code here, and then you're gonna tell them, do you have access to private dental insurance and coverage? Since I don't have any, this is the first dental care plan I'm applying to. I'm gonna say no, I do not have any dental insurance or coverage. And I do not have any provincial dental benefits, and neither do I have the federal provincial benefits. So I'm gonna say no here. On this page, you will be going to review your information, and then you will submit your application. So this was all the process. So what we did go to official Government of Canada website, and then we sign in using our CRA account, and I used my alberta.ca account. You can use like any account, and then you will choose the Canadian dental care plan. You fill in your personal details, and then you submit your application, and if you're approved, you will receive a confirmation letter and then a Sun Life dental card, and you must show this card when visiting a participating dentist. And not all dentists accept this plan. You can ask your dental clinic directly or search the CDCP participating dentist online. Always confirm before booking. And there are some common mistakes people make before applying. Like you should always file your taxes before applying. And people think that all dentists accept this plan, and the cosmetic treatment is not included in this. So avoid this to save time and money. And if you're eligible, this plan can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars on dental care. I'll put helpful links in the description. And if this video help you, like this video, subscribe to my Permitly Canada, and comment before if you want a video on how to check application status or how to use the CRA My Account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And one more thing, this video is for general information and educational purposes only. It is not legal or professional advice. Eligibility and coverage depend on individual circumstances, so always confirm with the Government of Canada or CRA.